Welcome back to the Learning Hub. This is Chapter 10 of our Excel learning program. Hope you enjoyed Chapter 9, where we have covered the borders. If you have not gone through the previous chapter, please find the link in the description below. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. In this chapter, we are going to learn about cut, copy, and paste functions. As you know, these are very basic functions, but there are some special features in this. If you see it in the top left corner, you will have the clipboard section. Under this section, you will find the cut, copy, and paste function. This option is called cut, and then here we have the copy, and the big button in the corner is called paste. The reason why this button is grayed out is because we haven't copied anything. We haven't selected any data. Whatever text you want to cut or copy, you need to select that first. Then you need to select the new location where you want to paste it, and then you can paste it there. For example, if I want to copy this data, what I can do is, either I can click on this button called copy, or here it is showing the shortcut key as well, which is called Ctrl+C. Look at this, I can click on this option which is called cut and paste, the shortcut is Ctrl+X. After copying or after cutting, I will get the option for pasting this data anywhere on the new location of my choice. Let's try to copy and paste first. I can just copy the data from the source. I can select the destination, and I can paste it here by clicking on this. Or we can also use the paste shortcut called Ctrl+V. Paste this data and you will see it is coming in a similar fashion. It is not only copying the text. It is also copying the style of the text, the size of the text, as well as formatting and border. As you know, we have covered the formatting and borders in one of our previous chapters. This is a simple method of copying and pasting the data. Let me just do this by pressing Ctrl+C. So now let's say you have just one value in line number 7, and you want to paste it in multiple columns, or multiple cells. You don't have to do it one by one. Excel has a special feature. Whenever you are copying any word, for example, hotel, and if you want to paste in 20 to 30 cells, you can just select all cells and hit paste. It will paste here. If you see it here, this word has been pasted everywhere. Hotel word has been pasted in 72 cells. You will hardly find any case where you need to copy in multiple cells. But if you try to copy one cell, and if you select multiple cells, try to paste. This is copy and paste function. So as I told, whenever you are copying and pasting any data from the old location to a new location, what it will do, will paste the formatting as well, just like this. There are different methods. If you don't want to paste the formatting, and if you want to copy from different cells and paste in different cells, the formatting should be as per the destination cell, and not as per the source cell. We will cover this as well in this section. Let me press Ctrl+Z to undo. So the next option we will cover is called cut and paste. Let's say earlier we were copying the data from one location and pasting it into another location. Now we will cut it from one location and paste it into the second location. So in earlier cases, it was keeping the data in the source and it was pasting the data to the destination as well. But now if you click on this option called cut, select the destination and click on paste, it will remove all of your data from the old location, and put it into a new location. Here it has not only moved the data but it has also moved the formatting, the border, the fill color, and everything it has cut from here and pasted in the new location. So this is the best function of the cut option. Let me just press Ctrl+Z to undo. So this is key feature of the cut option. It cuts from the old location, and paste into the new location including the formatting, data border, or text style, whatever you have done. Now let's see if you copy and paste the data but you don't want to paste in the same formatting. For example, here you are going to make some changes to this color. Let's make it in a light green color, and you want each and every value to come in this color. Let me put the border as well. We have covered this in the border chapter. So let's see if you copy these values. Let me just show you the default option. So if you copy from here, you click to paste. This will paste in the existing formatting. But your requirement is that you want to maintain the destination format. You can select your data, click on the copy, and here just click on this small drop down under the paste function, and this option will paste only the value. This is going to paste only the data in your destination formatting, your order, and all the stuff. If you see, now you can maintain your destination formatting, your destination style. This is also very helpful feature as others. Next option what we can use is, if you remember in our basic mathematical functions, we were not able to copy and paste the answer from one location to another location. and it was giving some different values. If you have these answers to these values, and you copied these answers somewhere else, by the default option, try to copy and paste them here. It won't give any value because it is referring to some other reference cells. And not these cells. Let's delete this, and what we can do is, we can just copy these answers values, and wherever we want to paste, we will use the same option called paste value. Just drop down from under the paste function, and click on this value which is called paste as values. So here it is pasted as a value. These are the independent values. These are not dependent on these. If you change these values, this will change, but these copied values will not, because these are not referencing these cells anymore. Here we have pasted them as a value. This paste function has multiple options. See the paste function and multiple options under this single button. What we will do, we'll create a special video only for the paste functions, and let's keep this video dedicated to cut, copy and the basics of paste. Otherwise, this video will be difficult to follow. So, you will see the paste video separately. Next thing, whenever you cut any data from here and let's paste it here, it will remove from here. We have covered this second option. If you want to copy this data from here and you want to paste it somewhere, it will not give the expected result. So what will happen when you cut the formula? When you do this, let's see what will be the result. Let's try to cut this formula and paste it somewhere else. It will be used here. If you see this value has been moved from these cells to these cells, what will happen if I change anything here? Will it impact my original answer or not? See, because you have cut this formula and pasted it here, and these are still the answer to these values. If I change anything here, it will change my answer. If I change anything at this place, it will change my answer as well. That's all we have to cover in the cut, copy and paste function. And just to recap quickly, if you copy the data from one location to another location, it will paste along with the style, formatting, and all the colors. If you cut the data from one location to another location, it will move the entire data along with the style, formatting, color, and everything. But if you copy and paste as a value, it will maintain the data in the destination format. If your destination format is green, and if your paste as a value, then it will follow the destination format and not the source format. If you want to copy the formula and paste it as a value, it'll be pasted as an independent value, but if you want to cut the formula and paste it somewhere, it will maintain the same formula. And when you change the reference cells, of which is referring, then it will change the answer as well. And that's all we want to cover in this cut, copy and paste chapter. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video, which will cover more options under the paste function in detail. You will find the links in the description below, for the previous and next chapters. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos. Thank you for learning with us.